I hear Siren. Should be somewhere over there. Should we go over to that siren over there that I pointed out, the 2001 DC?
I don't know where it's at.
It's right over there. We passed it on the way here.
Let's see what I can do.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my noise canceling headphones just in case. I think we might be able to catch the end of it if this light will just turn green. Yep, it's just turning off.
Oh, okay.
But we should still see about stopping there. Sorry about that.
Just hold it. And you need to tell me where to go. I'm not sure where we're going here, so.
Yeah.
Where do I turn?
It's going to be up here on the left. And I'll tell you when to turn left.
Well, don't tell me immediately. You need to get me, like, up there.
Yeah. It's right by that propane place and the billboard, if you were paying attention. Well, I'm recording just in case if I can hear a bit of it, but since it's been so long, I don't think I need a noise canceling headphones anymore. It's right by that cell phone tower over there. That's weird. It was setting off at 12:10 when it should be going off at, I think, yeah, right at that cell phone tower we need to turn. Let's see if we can hear the very end. It's right up there. See it? It's to the left. So I guess it's really handy to know where the sirens are when you're on the route. It's right there. I'm gonna get out and see if I can get close to it. So this is the siren that just went off. Doesn't sound like you can hear it right now though. So it's right up there. FS 2001 DC. You can see it on the rotator. And it has a pretty high box. So this is the one that you just heard when we were sitting at that stoplight. Don't hear the chopper like I was hoping for, but whatever. That's pretty much it for this video.